Hi! Okay, today we are talking about comparing numbers. So we know all about place value. We know the values of each number. So now we're going to compare numbers. Okay? So for example, we'll start with a two-digit number. Two-digit numbers. So we'll start easy here. We'll have 47 and we'll have 54. Okay? These are the two numbers that we have. Now, many of you know which number is the bigger number, but numbers get harder, and they get bigger. So we need to make sure that we understand how to compare the numbers. So what I like to do is line them up with all of the numbers lined up in the ones place and then compare. So you line them up in the ones place, but you have to start with the greatest place value over here, okay? So I look, 4 and 5. Well, which one is bigger? Is 4 bigger or 5 bigger? 5 is bigger. So 54 is bigger than 47, okay? Now comes in, how do we compare them? We use signs, okay? This sign means greater than. Okay, the greater number is going to be over here with the bigger opening. Bigger opening, greater number. The smaller number would come over here by the small opening. Okay, that leads us to this one. This means less than. The smaller number is going to go over here, and the bigger number is going to go over here. Big opening to the bigger number. Small opening to the smaller opening. And then, of course, we have equal sign for equal. Okay, so how we would write this, we could write this in two different ways. We could say 54 is greater than 47. See here, pointing to the small number. This opening is in the big number. Or we could say 47 is less than, see, little, big, 54. Big opening, big number. Small opening, small number. Okay? Let's try with some harder numbers. Say we have 830, 803. Okay, we have three numbers. Or we have two 3-digit numbers. Goodness. Okay, so they're all lined up in the ones place, but we're going to look to the greatest place value. The greatest place value is the hundreds. It's worth the most out of all of our numbers. Okay, so we're going to look here first. We have 8 and 8. Well, they're the same, so we have to move on to the next digit. We have 0 and we have 3. Okay, which one is bigger? Is 3 bigger or 0 bigger? 3 is bigger, so this number is bigger. So I could write this in a couple ways. 830 is greater than 803. Small side, small number. Big side, big number. Or I could write it like this. 803 is less than 830. Big side, big number. Small side, small number. Okay? Let's try again. What if we have 3,176 and 3,174. Okay, my ones place is lined up. Ones place is all lined up. But I have to look at my greatest place value, which is the thousands. Okay, so I'm looking at my thousands. We have a 3 and a 3. Same. So we got to go to the next digit. 1, 1. Same. So we got to go to the next digit. 7, 7. Same. So we got to go to the next digit. 4 and 6. Well, I know 6 is bigger, so this is my biggest number. Okay, so I can write that in a couple ways. 3,176 is greater than 3,174. Or 3,174 is less than 3,176. Big opening, big number. Small opening, smaller number. Smaller opening, smaller number. Big opening, bigger number? Okay? Let's just do one more to make sure that you got it. Okay, let's do 8,713 and 8,731. Okay, their ones places, our digits are all lined up. Very important. We start in our greatest place value. Okay, we have 8, 8. Same, go to the next digit. 7, 7. Same, go to the next digit. 3, 1. Stop. Which one is bigger, the 3 or the 1? 3 is bigger. Circle it. I'm going to write 8,731 is bigger than 8,713. Big opening, big number. Small opening, small number. Or I could write it like this. 8,713 is smaller than 8,731. Small opening, small number. Big opening, big number. Okay? All right, you guys can start working on your practice.